As for the final part of the cyber threat landscape of financial institutions, I will explore insider threats and their motivation in attacking financial organizations. Regardless of the sophisticated techniques malicious actors use to penetrate an organization's network, many security incidents are attributed to insider threats posed by current or recently departed employees and unwitting staff errors. Insider attacks are becoming more prevalent, challenging to detect, and harmful. IBM Cost of a Data Breach Report 2021 shows that malicious insiders are the third costliest attack type. According to the same report, a breach caused by a malicious insider took 23 days to identify and 75 days to contain. Since insider threats do not need to overcome external security controls, they can cause disruptions and critical data loss. For example, a New York credit union suffered a data breach caused by an insider in September 2021.